Hey guys, how are you all doing? I guess you all are doing pretty amazing. I'm just stopped by the window because of the lightning. The lightning here is poor and the solar is down for now. So I just got to, I came to see my cousin. I'm here in Owerri. I came to see my cousins and I'm just here with one of them. I really miss them. I was supposed to have been back for the longest time, but as in the waka this period was not. It's just too much. So I'm here in Owerri, but I'll be leaving to Port Harcourt today. After such a long time, after a long time, I'm going back to Port Harcourt, back to base. A lot have been happening, but to be honest, I've not even remembered picking up my camera to film. Life of a YouTuber. It's not easy. You remember sometimes and forget the other times that you need to film. So please, you guys should just pardon me. Forgive my manners. Welcome back again to the channel. If you're just meeting me for the first time, my name is Nagorom, a Nigerian YouTuber based in Port Harcourt, Rivers State. And I'm back again with a new vlog. So this is like a travel prep vlog, not prep so to speak. I'm actually done. I'm set to go. I'm set to leave. You can see my outfits. So I just have this bag on, my top and trouser and my sandal. That's my footwear. Nothing serious, nothing much, but I'll soon be leaving. In the nearest minutes, I'll be leaving. Oh my god, I really missed having everybody in this house, just like we had it in December. But all the same, it's well. It is well. I missed everybody, but then because of the whole time frame, most people have gone back to base. Most people have gone back to work and all whatnot. So, whew. Anyways, I just have to leave and go back to face reality, basically. So I'll be coming back anytime. When I feel tired of staying in Port Harcourt, this is where I usually come to rest. Yes, I just come to stay with my cousins here in Owerri, for some time before I go back to Port Harcourt again. So for now, I need to resume. I need to do a lot, so I'll have to leave. A lot has really happened. A whole lot. I can't just start saying everything, but just a whole lot has been happening. And I'm so grateful to God for everything, for bringing me this far. Yes, for bringing me this far. I'm I'm super grateful. Guys, look at that glow. Since after this surgery, I've been glowing now. The glow is on another level. But the funny thing is, I've been glowing and adding up. I don't know where the whole adding up thing, where the fat is coming from, because these days I find it very difficult to eat. I've not eaten in the longest time, proper meal. It's always me having fruit or just having maybe snack, and I can't eat again. I don't know where all of that is coming from, but all the same, just look at me. See how big I'm looking. Yesterday night, what I had was just pawpaw, banana. Then my cousin gave me meat and tiger nuts. I don't know if they are all fattening, but the banana, I just had 3 sticks of bananas. Basically, I took pawpaw and I took meat and tiger nuts. So I don't know which of them will be fattening again. But all the same, I don't know where the fat is coming from. I pray that this fat leaves me real quick. So that's notwithstanding, I am set to leave away, in just few minutes I'll be out. So stay tuned. Fingers crossed, I'll just take you guys along with me when I get to Port Harcourt or anything. I think anytime I just feel I need to take you guys along or whatnot, I'll take you guys along with me. For now, I am here. I just want to take hot water with coffee if possible, because my stomach is lactose intolerant, so I have no business with milk. So if you have any recommendation of a good milk for someone who has a lactose intolerant stomach, please, I want to get your reactions in the comment section, or your suggestions in the comment section rather. So that notwithstanding, bye for now. So if you guys can remember, this is where I got my first birthday gift. You know. So I miss my big bro. As in, the credit alert was massive. Like, the credit alert was massive. I received my first birthday gift on the 31st of December. If you can remember in my December vlog. Though I'm not done posting December vlog, but then the one that is already posted about my travel vlog and all whatnot. So this is where I got, like, I really miss having a full house here. But we were not able to spend the night because of the whole village. Village this period was something else. Like, the phone in the village was like it was on another level. So we didn't really have time. We were always going out as a group in convoy. So, you know, we couldn't come into town and, you know, stay for that long. But right here, I got my first birthday gift, which was an alert, by the way. It was an alert, and it made a lot of sense. Like, it made huge sense. So, big bro, I'm still saying thank you. I'm so grateful. I am so grateful, like passionately grateful. And I missed you too. I missed having you around. I just missed all those treatments, you know. We the younger ones now, you know. You know that care and concern they will wish us. I miss those pampering. Not like my cousin cannot do, but there's a difference. There's actually a difference. So thank you so much, biggest bro for life. Thank you for the alerts. I don't think I can thank you enough. Thank you so much. You are greatly loved. So to all of you that made me smile on my birthday on the 1st of January, you guys are really, really, really loved. Like, I love you guys for real. My brother, already, you know I love you. You know you mean the world to me, and a lot of people made it make a lot of sense. So that is that for now. You guys, say hello to this Tory Bush mistress. So I just got a Tory Bush bag from Oma's collection. So this is how it comes. Bag. Let me open it. So here, this is what it looks like. strap. This is a long strap. And nothing else. Nothing else. So this is the bag. This is the bag. This is what it looks like. It's so beautiful. So I have two Tory batch bags. I have in brown and now in black, but different sizes. I don't know why I'm falling in love with their bags now. I don't know, it's kind of simple and fine. Simple, good leather, and it's beautiful. So guys, tell me, what do you think? For me, so I have this in here. So it's written, this bag has been made from high quality genuine Italian leather. Any variance in the color and grain are due to natural characteristics of the leather. Please treat this item with care. Of course. See the interior card for additional instructions. The bag has been made from blah 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 blah. So I think it's the same thing. So this is what I got in here. I think it's okay. Like, I think it's actually what the price. I know that some vendors might, might be funny with the price. It might be pricey, but Oma's collection subsidized it for me. So I love it. I just think I love it. So this is what the bag looks like. All right, so I don't know, I think I'll be taking it to where I'm going to today. Like, I'll change from what I have on now to this. All right, catch you all guys soon.